Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly honored today. I want to read to you a letter. It says, Will, I swear that was the coolest video clip in the history of wine. Keep doing what you're doing and making funny videos. Enjoy the wine. Best Gino Razzi, owner, Wine, Wing Unlimited Vino. Ladies and gentlemen, today I had the proud honor to be selected as Zaccanini's Man and Wine Taster of the Year. Please give me my jacket. From this day forward, I am, let me get it on here, a wine master. Zaccanini, I love y'all. They get the first place in the Wall of Fame. Zaccanini, San Clemente today. Look at my jacket. I've officially been accepted.
What did they send us, son?
They sent a case to this place. What I told you, it can happen. Look at this, it can happen. A case in this place.
Holy shit, a case in this motherfucking place.
Show the jacket.
Show the jacket. Hold up before you take it out. Hold up. I gotta zoom in on that.
Let me model. Y'all want to see me model?
Zaccanini.
And they gave us a variety.
It's a variety of things, baby. I'm getting ready to do it. Understand that. This is what happens. This is what happens. We got a mixture. It's a mixture. This is what happens. You send a case to this place and it won't go to waste. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly overwhelmed. My talents in drinking have been recognized. I was awarded the Black Wine Drinker of the Year jacket. Oh, man, it's a beautiful day. San Clemente, we're going to try this today. From Zaccanini, they'll always have a place in my heart right now. They're going to be the first people on the wall of wine. Let's try this. Smooth. You hear the ladies singing in the background. You hear us singing. This is for that purpose, baby. San Clemente, smooth. This will get you rocked. Fucked up factor, I'm going to say 8.5 on this one. Toilet bowl factor, not yet. I'm still early drinking. You know, I'm like I always like to do, I'm hydrated. Also, PSA, don't drive and drink. Ladies and gentlemen, we're having a little cross-culture meal right now. China Italia. You know what I'm saying? We're mixing a little Zaccanini with a little Chinese food. You know what I'm saying? This is how you rock it, too. Was it? Take you a sip of the wine. Take you a fork for the Chinese food. What's fucking with that? San Clemente. Today's special commemorative issue is in honor of Zaccanini and is in honor of me receiving the black vest. They only give out one of these a year. Unfortunately, oh man. Fortunately, I got it, yo. We brought it home, Will.
You got it, son. You're the Zaccanini Recipient Award winner of the year.
Zaccanini, I love y'all, baby.
Yes, sir.
Zaccanini. Yo, like I said, y'all, we having Italian food today. Understand, we doing a crossbreed of cultures, Ming and Abruzzi. They mix together, you know what I'm saying? So we got some San Clemente from Zaccanini.
Zaccanini sends us a case, son.
We got some Chinese food. I'm not going to make the funny sounds because then they're going to be like some stereotype shit. But like I said, it's good. The fucked up factor on this is it's light right now because I'm cold. You see, I'm eating and I'm drinking. Now, that could work two ways. Either that could be a good thing or I could be creating a volcano. Understand? Like you ever like one day like throw up and then like you thought you was good, but you wake up in the morning and be a whole pile of throw up on the side of your sneakers. You be like, oh, I don't feel that with this one. Zaccanini, like I said, the commemorative issue, Zaccanini. I'm the holder of the Black Wine Man Jacket of the Year. I got a case right here. I got a letter of accommodation right here. What you know about having a letter from the wine people? That's how we doing it. Send a case to this place. Understand that. We're going to be on Spine TV. Don't forget, the 24-hour drinking Le Mans is coming up. I'm working out every day. I'm doing stomach exercises. Out, in, out, in. I'm going to get it right, and it's going to be on. Hey, check this out, y'all. Jason and Gino. Thanks for the vino. Thanks for the case and the vest. Thanks for the sweet with the twig. I love the best. Thank y'all. I'm the wine champ. Check this out, y'all. Watch me get amped. I'm going to take a little drink. What y'all think? I'm going to be good. I ain't going to throw up in the sink. So, Jason and Gino, thank y'all for the vino. We going to drink it. Hey, we know. Yeah, check it out, y'all. No doubt. Thank y'all, baby.
Two wine connoisseurs.
Two wine connoisseurs. episode, what's this? What episode?
This is like 9.
This is like 9 and change. Zaccanino,
Matter of fact, this is 10.
It's 10.
This is Roman numeral fucking 10.
Matter of fact, Gino, this bottle right here is gonna be the first bottle that's retired in the wall of wine.
Yeah.
This bottle right here.
Cantini Zaccarini.
This right here is like Babe Ruth, like Lou Gehrig, like and the Babe. What's fucking with the Babe? But Zaccanino. Thank y'all, baby. Check it out. How real is this, man? These dudes gave me a vest, yo. It says Zaccanini on it, a real live vest. So I give them love, you know what I'm saying? Also, I want to send out love to my man John's Deli out there in Coney Island, because you know they keep me fed. But look at the vest though, yo. I can put like a piece of mozzarella in it, some mutts. That's what man them.
The mutts.
The mutts. I can put a piece of mutts in here. You know what I'm saying? Put a bottle of wine right here, something like that. What's fucking with my real vest right here, yo? Once again, my letter of recommendation. I've been accepted to the club, yo.
Cantini Zaccanini.
This is like the green jacket that Tiger got, yo. But he got his for golf. I got mine for drinking. Understand? Don't drive and drink, yo. Don't try to follow me, man, because my stomach is like for years, B. Understand? It's cast iron, so don't try to follow me, man, because like you wind up in the Gowanus Bay somewhere or something like that, yo. This is a Brooklyn thing right here. Thumbs up, Brooklyn. You know what I'm saying? Thumbs up, Carroll Garden. Thumbs up, Bed-Stuy. Understand? We're going to be taking it on the road soon. We're going to the winery in PA. This is what the man said. We can come down there. We're going to be filming from there. We're going live now, y'all. Thank y'all for the love. Peace. If y'all see my man Sean Black, tell him to send a case to this place, yo. Okay. A lot of you out there have expressed, concern about my safety after these episodes and driving home. I got one email from Bob from Binghamton. He said, "Hey, Sadat, I really love the episodes, but I noticed at the end you're a little twisted, and I'm concerned about you driving. Listen, Bob, I'm getting home. When I get behind the wheel, I snap out of it. You understand what I'm saying? PSA, don't drink and drive." Okay, San Clemente today, this was offered by Zaccanini. This was Zaccanini Day. You know what I'm saying? We've received products. I have a letter of recommendation. Once again, I got the black jacket today. This is like Tiger Woods' green jacket, but only this is the black drinking jacket. And a case. Show the case. The bottles is upside down. The reason why they're upside down, because you could get hurt if they're on the upside. So this is what it is, We're good. I'm going to be safe, people, because I'm going to make it to all the episodes. And I appreciate the love and concern about the people that have about.
Yo, let's get a final episode 10. What's the fucked up factor?
The fucked up factor on this, I'm gonna say, is a nice 8 with smooth music. A nice 8 with smooth music. If you get into some other shit, you might bowl it. I don't feel like I'm gonna bowl it right now, but understand I ate some Chinese food and there's a lot of grease.
This don't got a toilet bowl factor?
I don't know, because I'm feeling good now, but like I said, we had the China-Italian culture today. We did a cross culture. We had Italian wine, Chinese food. It's a lot of grease with the Chinese food, so I still got to drive across Brooklyn, so it's no telling what'll happen by the time I get home. I feel good right now, though. I feel like I can drive, and once again, people, don't try this at home. And if you want to get down with us, send a case to this place. Zaccanini, Gino, I'm happy to say, is the first candidate on the Wall of Fame. You see the letter right here. I'm not bullshitting. We getting correspondence. I'm not bullshitting. You know what I'm saying? We'll accept it from wherever it comes. We love y'all, and we're going to be good. Zaccanini, San Clemente,
Episode 10 is a wrap.
Episode 10 is a wrap. I'm going to take a final drink.
Under $20.
Ciao, Bella. Check it out. This is the last ending. I want to give a shout out to Zaccanini, to my man Gino, and all the rest of the dudes over there that sent us this. They sent us the letter. Upcoming episodes we got Malvo coming through. Listen to this is the beat he sent. He's gonna be bringing us some wine from the Congo, banana wine. I told him to leave the nut out, not banana nut, just banana wine. I don't know where that nut is coming from. You understand? So this is gonna be Malvo's episode, the Congo. We're gonna have AG coming through. He's gonna be bringing some South Bronx wine grown behind Yankee Stadium with a special blend of blue grapes. So these are the 2 episodes with the Le Mans coming on. Once again, thanks to the good people at Zaccanini, my man Gino for sending the letter of recommendation and for also awarding me with the black vest. Once again, to the case of this place, Sadat X will tell, true wine connoisseur.